back to Toy Glamorous. So in this video, we are going to be unboxing a Play-Doh set, which is really cool. It comes with 6 different colors. So let's get opening. So it came with 2 different tools. It's like a star and a butterfly cutout. So we could keep that aside and we could open this up. Here is our white, light pink, looks like sprinkles in here, dark pink, yellow, and blue, light blue, and brown. I think the brown's probably my favorite. I don't know why. It's a really cool color. So we're going to be opening like 3 of these up, and you could also see them in other videos. So we are going to be opening up this really cool brown color since it's also my fave. Oh, whoa, look how cool this is. Looks like cookie dough. Can't really tell if you guys could tell, but it looks like cookie dough. Whoa, this is super cool. Super. Wow. Okay, this is really cool. It seriously looks like cookie dough. Like, if you like make it into like a nice circle and then like push it in, this totally looks like a yummy cookie. This is adorbs. So let's put this to the side. Put it back in here. And let's do these 2. So we can put these 3 really cool, awesome colors away. Let's get going to blue. Whoa. Okay, now you could totally tell about the confetti in here. Whoa. This has like a different texture to it. Wow. It's amazing. So yeah, so you could totally tell there's like yellowish, greenish, and dark blue confetti in here, which is super cool, super fun, and yeah, it's a really nice stress ball too. So let's get opening to the blue. Let's put it back in here. Okay, time for pink and not blue. Whoa, now this one has totally different colors of confetti. There's like light pink, you can't quite tell, dark blue, actually that might be orange, yellow, and green. Whoa, this is so cool. This would be a really good ice cream. Like the confetti totally looks like ice cream. Like actually, like if you look at the box, look at that cake. It's totally sprinkles. Yum! That looks so good. Yum! So just with this brown, we are going to be using these 2 utensils because I almost forgot to use that. So let's take all the brown out again. Okay. Let's take a little out. Actually, I might need more than that. Okay. Okay. Now, let's do the butterfly first. I know like that it has like a little place for you to like push it in. Okay. And boop. Whoa. This is so cool. Oh my god, you guys. Look how cute this little butterfly looks. Look at that. Okay, now this is super adorable. Let's put that aside and let's try the star. Let's do the star with the whole thing since there's not a lot. Okay. I think the star might be my favorite. Oh god, how do I take this out? This is so hard. Oh no, I might be ruining it. Nope, I did it. Okay, kind of looks like a starfish. Wow. Okay, so this is just amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and please look at the description box down below.